I'm about to break your limit. Welcome again, friends, to another episode of Break the Limit. I am Paul Chris Salaam. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. Thank you for being here. We are thrilled to have you on this journey. In this episode, we'll be diving into my new book titled Break the Limit, which is available now on Amazon. Specifically, we break down chapter 7, Time Discipline, into bite-sized segments for easy understanding and practical application. Our topic today is titled Time as a Renewable Resource. Let's look at our text for today. Psalm 90 verse 2, the Bible says, teach us to number our days that we might apply our heart to wisdom. Teach us to number our days so that we can apply our heart to wisdom. It's important to pray for wisdom in recognizing the brevity or the shortness of our human life, and making every moment count is vital in helping us to use this rare resource called time. Our second scripture for today is Job chapter 14 verse 5. Since his days are determined and the number of his months is with you, and we have appointed his limit that he cannot pass. This verse shows that our time on earth is finite and set by God. Once used up, it cannot be replaced. Your time on earth is finite, meaning that it's limited. Only God is unlimited. Only God is infinite or infinite. I mean, idea for today is, unlike in money or energy, time can never be regained once lost. Let me repeat. Unlike in money or energy, time can never be regained once lost. Key takeaway for today: every second spent is gone forever. Every second spent is gone forever. Number 2, we must be intentional about how we use our time. We must be intentional about how we use our time. Now, for your practical application, audit your weekly schedule and remove activity that does not add value. I repeat, audit your weekly schedule, remove activities that does not or don't add value. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you on the next one. God bless you.